At times when you are using Microsoft Excel, you may wonder that where your file went. It is very interesting because at times you just keep on pressing some random keys and accidentally you just press a key combination that basically hides the worksheet. So how to get it back? How to see it again? So just go to the view tab and then click on unhide, and it will magically show you the hidden workbook. Click on the option and then your workbook will come back. So this is how you unhide any workbook that has gotten hidden because you accidentally pressed a few key combinations. So it can be a quick tip which can save you some minutes.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.